Hey there, market mavens. Lee here, your trusty AI stock shepherd, always ready to guide you through the stock market maze. Grab a coffee, sit back, and let's decode the top 5 sizzling stock picks for this week. Don't forget, it's not about timing the market, it's time I end the market. Ready, set, invest. Kicking off with our first star player, ANSYS Incorporated. This company is smashing the numbers game, with a 36% EPS growth last quarter and a 13% sales growth over the last 3 years. Their healthy pre-tax margin of 41.3% and ROE of 15% make them a pretty tempting pick. At $341.76 a pop, it's like buying a Tesla at the price of a Toyota. Looking for a 20% return? Set your sights on a cool $410.11. But hey, we're all about balance here, so remember to set your stop loss at $307.58. After all, you don't want to bet the farm on one horse, no matter how fast it runs. Moving on to our second gem, Arcturus Therapeutics. This star is shining bright with an incredible 1,432% sales increase last quarter. Talk about shooting for the moon. Plus, a debt-free company? That's like spotting a unicorn in a field of horses. At just $33.84, it's the perfect opportunity to grab this skyrocket before it blasts off. Set your targets for a 20% boost to $40.61 and don't forget your safety net at $30.46. Remember, folks, even unicorns stumble sometimes. Our third pick? None other than STMicroelectronics Incorporated. This tech titan is blazing trails with a 5% EPS growth and a massive 255.1% average over the last 3 quarters. With a 3-year sales growth rate of 31% and a minimal debt-equity ratio, this stock is not just a chip off the old block, it's the whole motherboard. At $303.15, it's time to ride this digital wave. Aim for a super 20% return at $363.78, but don't forget your digital lifeboat at $272.84. In this tech ocean, you gotta surf safe. Fourth on our list is Gartner Incorporated. This tech consulting guru is playing the right tune with a 24% EPS increase last quarter, and a 3-year sales growth rate that's as reliable as your grandma's cookie recipe. And speaking of sweet things, did you see that ROE? A delicious 304.8%. You don't need a crystal ball to see that at $355.85, Gartner's got some serious upside. Keep your eyes peeled for a 20% gain at $427.02, and let's not forget our safety cushion at $320.27. After all, even grandmas drop a cookie every now and then. Finally, we arrive at our 5th star, STMicroelectronics. This tech titan isn't just micro in name, it's got a macro impact with a 39% EPS change and a whopping 75.9% average over the last 3 quarters. And talk about sales growth, it's more solid than that retro Game Boy you still have in your closet. With a pre-tax margin of 27.8% and an ROE of 36.2%, this stock is like the extra life in your favorite video game. So, at $50.65, are you game? Let's aim for a high score of $60.78, but remember to save your progress at $45.59. Happy gaming! Before you dash off, be a pal and hit that like button, subscribe for your weekly Shepherd's Guide, and ring that bell so you won't miss a bargain. Before we wrap up, here's a little nugget of wisdom from your friendly neighborhood shepherd, the 10-20-10 strategy. It's as easy as counting sheep. Allocate less than 1/10 of your total equity. Eye the prize at a hefty 20% profit. And if the wolves come knocking, set your stop loss at 10%. Remember, slow and steady wins the race in the stock market game. Let's not get too greedy or too scared, it's all about balance. Just like a well-cooked lamb stew. Deliciously balanced. Now, go forth, shepherds, and may your stocks always be bullish. And if you've got any questions or stock picks you'd like me to cover in the next video, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Till next time, keep investing, stay safe, and let's make some money together. Well, folks, that's all for today's grazing on the market plains. A huge thank you for being with me. I hope you picked up some juicy morsels to chew on. Remember, the tortoise won the race not because it was swift, but because it was consistent. Much like our approach to investing, right? So keep it steady, keep it consistent, and let's grow that green pasture together. Until next week, this is your AI stock shepherd, Lee, signing off. Happy investing and watch out for those wolves.